wait. I don't.
Do you like seasoning salt?
What does that mean? The sight, the sound, the smell. That's what I just
forgot
meant.
to season the chicken. Yep, poultry seasoning. Quick.
Okay.
Quick.
Okay. Okay.
No, yes.
I'm thinking.
The salt and pepper.
I have. Okay.
Do you have time? Here. Do you have poultry
Wait.
seasoning?
We had all that parts. Wait. You just want dried stuff?
Yeah.
Hang on. I have stuff. So you're saying we can possibly finish this? Here. I found it. Oh, that's Old Bay. Never mind. I'm sorry. I just saw. Okay, what you're looking for? Can you tell me?
Poultry seasoning. Do you have
I don't
poultry?
think I have that, but if you were to have something dried.
Okay, would you use thyme, marjoram?
I thought that was an Instapot. We don't need time.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna
Here,
season it now.
Look, I'll just set stuff out. Oh, here's time. Okay. Why do you think it's time?
It's like a classic chicken. Yeah.
All I have is
this
Italian.
good.
Okay.
Just a little something.
I have steak seasoning. Oh, lemon and pepper. That's the only thing that might come close. So, wait. So, you're using the okay, can you just... I know you're in a hurry to...
I'm not in a hurry.
No, I mean, I know you're in the middle. I don't mean in a hurry. I mean, I know you're in the middle of stuff. So, could you... So, right up here, while I was really busy publishing... I had important things to do. You were down here, and I wanted to catch you doing the garlic. So you got all this stuff ready. You got, what's this? What's this?
Ginger.
Oh. You're right, it is.
What?
You're right, it is ginger.
Yeah.
I didn't believe you at first.
Really?
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
So then you just smashed the garlic.
Yep. I didn't chop
Okay.
it yet. Where's the knife?
I have actual, look, you want to use this actual peppercorn and that crappy stuff?
Oh, no. I don't know.
Oh.
You're asking me questions and I'm...
La cucaracha,
Yeah.
la cucaracha. I like cockroaches in my soup.
Maybe we should play... Oh, we can't play music anymore. We're just getting banned.
We should start a band. You know what? I'm going to go, that's what I can do. I'm going to do the musical interlude for this whole operation. What do you think?
I think thou shall not.
Thou
Play
shalt
loud
not.
music and dance.
Thou shalt not. She got a shallot. You should have put it out on camera. Thou shalt ought.
Thou shalt ought.
Shalt ought.
Excuse
Well,
me, folks.
these are these cute polka dot pants. The only downside is they don't make them for actual women. It's like pro, they're super cute. Con,
Yeah, only for...
they're
flat
they're for people without actual body parts. It stinks, you know what I mean? It's like,
Yeah.
so close, they almost got it. Who do you think
Nice.
those were made for anyway?
I'm not sure.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm not
Well,
sure.
I'm curvy. So, people that don't have curves. All right, what we're going to do now is...
Yeah,
What are you
doing?
We're going to very carefully flip the chicken.
Wait, there's a chicken in there?
Yeah.
I was wondering what that good smell was.
So I'm browning the chicken in the Instapot.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, it does smell good. I was wondering.
Yeah.
So,
We're browning a whole chicken. And then we're going to saute all the vegetables. And our mirepoix.